My function dial is broken, I need a replacement.
What's the brand and model of your appliance? How old is it?
Cuisinart TOA 60.
How long has this been going on with your Cuisinart appliance? What have you tried so far?
The dial is broken. The function dial knob is broken on the inside and won't change the function.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No, ma'am.
Hi, my name is. Thank you for using JustAnswer. Here is a link to the knob I think you need. Let me know how it goes. https://www.ebay.com/sch/i.html from equals r40 and underscore turksid equals m570.l1313 and underscore nkw equals 551181026 and underscore sacat equals 0. Please let us know if you need further assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.